Hi, I'm Sunil, and I'm here to read a story from freekidsbooks.org. The story is Chaku's Cycle. It's written by Upendo Maria. The illustrator is Iddi Marumba, and the translator is Alisha Berger. I hope you enjoy the story. Here's the story. Chaku liked to play with his friends, like all kids do. He liked Lila's tricycle. So Chaku decided to make his own tricycle. Chaku looked for logs. Then Chaku remembered that he also needed nails and a hammer to make the tricycle. So Chaku went to his uncle for help. Chaku's uncle gave him the tools. He said, "Here." Uncle asked Chaku, "But be careful." Chaku thought about how to build the tricycle. Chaku started to build. What a lovely tricycle! But it was not a stable one. It would fall off. So Lila saw Chaku's tricycle and she decided to help him. And together they made a strong tricycle. Chaku was very happy. Chaku rode his tricycle wherever he went. But you know what? His favorite time was when he and Lila cycled together. I hope you like the story.